This is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sync your contacts on your Xiaomi phone. Now if you're doing this on your Android phone, it's very easy. You can just go to the Google folder right here and you can go to the Google Contacts. So if you've ever saved a contact to your Google account, it should be listed down here. We can just go to this and then go to where it says Organize on the bottom right here, and tap that. Now what we want to do is go on over to Contacts in Google on the top. And we can go to also sync device and SIM contacts. So we can sync our Google contacts in here. Then if we have anything saved to the SIM card, we can do that too. Just select this, sync device and SIM contacts automatically. So it says Google contacts can be automatically synced to your device and SIM, so they're backed up to your account and available across Google services. So just go ahead and just tap this, choose your Google account on here. That should be synced. And then you can start syncing right here. And it should start syncing. Just turn it on. And then you should be seeing those contacts listed in here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.